can. I can talk on his behalf.
I mean, can George say a couple things? We haven't heard from you directly,
he's not.
George.
Like I said, I can address you guys, let you know what happened in court, let you know what the new court dates are, but my client's not speaking to the media
I'd
right
like
now.
to hear a little bit more about Sergeant Drent.
Well, we'll go. No, there's nothing to say about Sergeant Drent. It was a tragedy. It was a tragic incident. They were the best of friends. They played music together. That's all there is. It's what you guys know already. He had absolutely no involvement.
So how is it connected to this case?
There's been no connection. What we're here for today was the theft case that you all know about involving the condominium project on 48th Street and Broadway. That's all there is. From what I understand, there's 17,000 pages of discovery, and the Attorney General gave me a CD, and we're going to review that. And again, like I said, we're confident that at the end of the day, my client here will be.
Real quick though, it says in the paperwork too.
Personally affecting you, or
it's affecting him terribly. It's affecting his business. He runs a guitar and music shop, the only one in South Phoenix. He patrolled that community for 20 years. We went to the same high school together. I mean, he's a member of that community, a loyal member. He served and protected that community for almost 20 years. And he feels terribly, and this has affected him. It's affected his business. It's affected his working relationships with his brother officers that he knew and worked with for almost 20 years. So this is devastating. These allegations.
Didn't you admit to stealing leaving early?
He's made no admissions. And again, we're right at the beginning of the discovery phase.
Paperwork wrong then when it says he admitted to leaving?
Again, I was handed a CD, I assume full of documents. I haven't had a chance to review them. I just got them handed to me this morning. We're in that process. It's the discovery phase begins, all right? It's the state's burden of proof, and just so everyone out there knows, as every judge tells every juror that comes in this courtroom to sit in judgment of people, an indictment is not evidence. All they are allegations. This man, as he stands before you, is innocent.
Why did you resign?
That's he started a business. He started a guitar shop there in South Phoenix. That was his dream. The man's a musician, in addition to being an officer. And that was, that's one of his passions.
And what do you guys hope happens with this Drent investigation? Because what do you hope?
Again, we hope whoever is responsible is punished, if indeed someone is responsible for it.
Does that include the responsibility of Drent's death?
I don't understand. What do you mean? I mean, what I'm saying is, whoever's responsible, we hope if there's someone other than Sergeant Drent was responsible for his own death, we of course hope that they're, found and punished and prosecuted within the limits of the law.
Do you think there's a connection between the two cases?
No, none at all. None.
You're positive?
I mean, I wasn't there. I'm just saying, from what I understand, from what I've seen, there's no connection. This man was not connected to that. Again, they were the best of friends. He would have no connection, no motive, no anything, no reason to harm his best friend.
So is the timing coincidence, or do you think that it's more grandstanding?
That's a good question. At this stage, I don't know. I don't know enough about it. Again, what we're here today for was this, the condominium project on 48th and Broadway, and that's what we're here for now. I haven't received any information in regard to the connection, the non-connection, if you will, between Sergeant Drent's death and this current case.
What about the other officers?
I guess I should say, other than the fact that they did do DNA samples of not only the officers that were involved in the Drent investigation in and of itself, but also the ones that are connected to this investigation. All right.